The Airbus A320neo family, Neo for new engine option, is a development of the A320 family of narrow-body airliners produced by Airbus. Launched on December 1, 2010, it made its first flight on September 25, 2014 and it was introduced by Lufthansa on January 25, 2016. Re-engined with CFM LEAP 1A or Pratt & Whitney PW1100G engines and fitted with Sharklets as standard, it is 15% to 20% more fuel efficient than the A320ceo family. The A320neo family is based on the previous A319, A320, and A321. As of March 2021, a total of 7,000 plus A320neo family aircraft had been ordered by more than 115 airlines, making it the fastest selling commercial aircraft ever. The A320neo is powered by PW1100G-JM engines and the A320ceo is powered by V2527A5 IAE engines. According to Airbus, one should expect a fuel burn improvement of approximately 15% for CFM LEAP 1A powered aircraft compared to its predecessor. Further 3% fuel saving is expected due to Sharklets. You can also say that A320neo is a bit quieter than the other A320s. An Airbus A320neo of IndiGo, the largest operator. India's IndiGo has placed a firm order for 300 A320neo family aircraft. This marks one of Airbus' largest aircraft orders ever with a single airline operator. This latest IndiGo order comprises a mix of A320neo, A321neo, and A321XLR aircraft. This will take IndiGo's total number of A320neo family aircraft orders to 730. And currently they have 120 operating A320neos. If you like this video, do subscribe Aviation 1.